are here for the architectural lighting workshop. We do have two speakers and presenters today. The first one is Mr. Kambiz Sharif. Kambiz is actually our host today as well, or co-host today. We are in his studio at the moment. And our first speaker for tonight is Dr. Kaveh Ahmedian. He's the founder and CEO of Finis in Belgium. He has lots of publications in the lighting systems and lighting designs as well. Many publications, as well as authoring or translating 5 books, if I'm not